there are lots of things I'm not able to share online.
Alright, so Wagwan viewers, Wagwan everybody to the Dirty Bear Show page now. This is another segment that I'm going to call the Countdown Quickie, where I break down things that I would usually put on a social media countdown in a short and informative manner. So right now we're going to talk about the split between Beenie Man, the king of the dancehall, and rising political figure Crystal Tomlinson. Now the two have been in a relationship for, quite a number of years. We decided to two of them, take it to social media. They made it very public. They were at the YVA Awards together, looking very loving. They have been on the headline for the Jamaica Star, and them a do them thing. Beenie Man has introduced Crystal to all of his kids. At some point in time, Disha and Crystal never really dip on good terms, but it seems like in recent times them squash everything together, and the couple have their beautiful daughter. I think her name is Zaya. Hopefully may I get it correctly, but she's a lovely little bundle of joy, and everything seemed that as if it was going good in paradise. But as them say, 2020 was and remains quite a crisis year, because it is the conqueror of relationships. If you feel like a relationship did not go good, when 2020 done with it, it is going to just spit out and look like one little piece of half dead dog food, and look like say that is what 2020 did with Crystal and Beenie Man's relationship. Now Beenie Man, he posted a video, and let me just show it to you.
White House to say, Curtin and, bag of things. Man call FBI, I say man, you have to come out of the White House because you have, what? You have 25 more days before you come. They don't need nobody in any place. Yeah, man. Alright, before we go up on that serious topic, we'll talk about this. People, oh God. What we're going to do this now? Yeah, Crystal Tomlinson and Moses Davis okay, we are apart. We are not together anymore. It's not because of any bad vibes or any disrespect. It's just people just grew apart, and life changed, that's it. And so me, free singer disengaged. She, free and singer ready to engage. So, blessing. That's that. Anyway. When the new president swearing,
Alright, so the king of the dancehall, him jump ahead of the story, because as you know, people did speculate, because and I wonder Wagwan, because when everybody that do them Christmas photo shoot and I put up matching pajama, we never see anything with Crystal and Beenie Man. So everybody kinda wonder. And then Crystal style she go up on social media, talk about her self-worth, and do look a video with just she and the pitney alone. Like when the woman go through things, them tend to have one little thing about new me, may I focus on me, just me and my pitney away alone there. Our video them did have the little energy there.
There are lots of things I'm not able to share online, and so I have to share with really close friends. But and that's only because if I say A, like it becomes a headline, and B, it's on the news and people want an interview. So I just kind of keep a lot of things inside my circle of friends.
And so I guess we don't even know if it look like, say, Crystal put Beenie Man on a Zoom meeting and they decided to have a conversation about it and just say, yo, here we are. At 2021 now, it is now time for us to really release this information to the public. And so not to be outdone, Crystal Tomlinson now, she took to her Instagram page. Let me just say, she took to all of her social media pages now for go reveal what has been going on and for go clear it up, talk it out of fear, nice clean mouth. And so she posted the one picture with she and Beenie Man, looking all Beyonce and Jay-Z black and white settings. And this is what it says. I can't even do Crystal voice. Kill fear. 5 years and unfolding. Now, a part of growth is knowing when things have come to an end, knowing not to force it, knowing to let it be, living while there is love and not waiting until it is dry, empty and full of animosity, knowing to choose peace and trusting that all things work together for our good. I've remained silent for a while on this question. Not to keep a secret, but to get clear, certain, and centered. I am clear. I am certain. I am centered. This chapter on love, written with love, is closed. No, all I have to say, people, like, if this is not a way of a break up to the public, like, I do not know. Can we get a round of applause for Crystal Tomlinson and her effortless piece of style film, you know? No, but honestly, feel like say one of Crystal Tomlinson's inspiration is Lisa Anna, because when them want to get things off of them chest, you know, them is going to give you a paragraph on Instagram. Them now put out no video. They are going to release one nice strongly worded piece of epistle for go post up where you have to go read. You can't go look on a look a picture and get the information. You have to read through all 15 million paragraph to kind of get the point. Man, look like say Crystal let her read all the world of poetry and world of prose, and she put her little things in one nice little soliloquy and put her pen her little letter to the public. And boy, Crystal, you know, that is it. I mean, you know, I now got 5 years strong. When I have the lovely daughter, at some point in time, people did wonder why Beenie Man never, you know, decide say him going, you know, ask for your hand in a marriage and the two on married and get the little situation they're going. But instead him just kind of, you know, give you a little one man alone and push around and you know, you kind of get that time, you get the little lovely daughter and without no ring. And so maybe, you know, this was for the good, because if we did married now, this would be a whole another saga, a whole another episode, because we already see what went down with Beenie Man when him did marry to the Angel, where them a fight over the furniture and horse dead and cow, Fat Pan Entertainment Report and Pan Hand Stage. So at least this time we can say that this won't be such a messy situation. So I have to commend both of you know for kind of handling this at a, you know, upon a matured level. But bad to bad now, you know, like people could have really tell, man, because I'm not gonna lie, I used to sit down and I look upon it and I say, Beenie Man did go on with him like self, you know, from the, you know, the passing of his mother, and you know, with him and hosting events during the corona period and all kind of stuff like that. It did look like Sir Crystal never there around him, because you know Crystal coming like she is a walking PR in that relationship. Like me know Crystal tell Beenie Man say, yo, are that type of shoes that you must wear, so you must, you know, carry yourself, walk like this, bring up your posture. What you call it, enunciate by your word them. Me feel like Crystal was like a little micromanager in a little relationship, and I do not know if maybe Beenie Man at some point saying it fed up at that, and Beenie Man they just want to live him like a Zaga's whole life, and Crystal was like, you know, at some point in time I kind of want a little bit more structure. Beenie Man, me I try to build my little political empire. Come on, Beenie Man, okay? Kill the fear where you have, man. See how she all try to get him for go lose him gut and all of these things. That's how Crystal stay. She go try to make it for the better. And maybe if you just want to be a same old self, maybe that is where they would have a little tug and war. You get me? But at this time, I forgot big up Beenie Man in the book of Beenie Man. You know how to make and get a public relationship. You are a socialite. Like literally bad to bad, you probably is a Jamaican male Lori Harvey. But you stay with a hot one. You find woman them are gonna have something. If a beauty brain something in between, you are going to find the Beenie Man. Beenie Man have a public relationship for every single decade. In the 90s, it was dancehall queen Carlene. In the early 2000s, it was The Angel. And in the 2010s, it is Crystal Tomlinson. And all of them human they are going to produce a child. So Beenie Man, I do not know who you're going to have your eyes set, but I know so your next relationship is going to be another grand public affair, because I just so you enjoy to live your life. You are a on and off again bachelor, but you know, bad to bad, you know, if you secure a relationship, you hold a relationship for a period, they might not last, but you always ensure so them have a good run, and that a pitney will be bred from it. So you know, I wish both of them best of luck in their life. Crystal Tomlinson, I'm sure you're going to go on to bigger, greater things in terms of your political pursuits and your own personal growth, because I just, you know, you're that type of young lady. And Beenie Man, you're going to continue. You're going to find love again. You're going to keep it pushing. Are you this Beenie Man? You're new to this, and I just know that it won't be an issue for them to co-parent, because Crystal born and come see it. You know, she born and come, you know, welcoming at the family with Beenie Man. You know, he's the king of dancehall and the king of co-parenting, and so I'm pretty sure she should understand the strips. The Angel, I go just tell her, say, yo, this is the ropes now. See me look attorney here. See me look at, you know, me look a lawyer here. You probably can't talk and work out the little strips now, because clearly right now them just need to form one community for themselves. Them can literally have a reality show for themselves right now. Like, you know, exes of Beenie Man, in Jamaica, baddest reality show, Real Housewives of Beanie Man. Me no know something. Dancehall Queen Colleen, Crystal Tomlinson, and The Angel. Something must in there. This is a show idea I am giving to you. So in a minute, I'm gonna jump down into the whole entire situation. Say Amari, I try running on this Beanie Man situation. Now she try make herself available to Beanie Man. That's just a complete mess, Amari. Jesus, people, load the people them alone. Okay, so let me know, viewers, let me know, burritos, what do you make of this entire split between Beanie Man and Crystal Tomlinson? Did you see it coming? Are you actually sad that they are breaking up? Did you really see them going for, you know, another 10, 15, 20 for the rest of them life? Sound off in the comments, okay? And let me know if you want to see more social media quickies just like this. All right, peace out. Make sure to say you like, you share, comment, subscribe, you know, the usual strips. Look out for your countdown coming to you soon, and do not forget, you know, me go and do a little quickie on the whole Spice and Shenseea Jada Kingdom type of saga. I cannot leave, you know, hanging. So tata, I'm gonna leave you with this meme or this video with this person do of that whole America's Next Top Model version of Crystal and Beanie. Take care, burritos. Countdown quickie.